Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of Japanese wellness culture. Japan is famous for its citizens' long and healthy lives, and a big part of that comes from their traditional diet and time-tested wellness practices. Have you ever wondered what secrets they hold for maintaining great health, especially for something as precious as our eyesight? We spend so much time staring at screens, which can lead to tired, strained, and dry eyes. It's a modern problem that an ancient approach might just help us with. In this video, we're going to explore a simple, Japanese-inspired drink made from just 4 natural ingredients. These ingredients are celebrated in traditional wellness for their ability to support eye comfort, hydration, and provide antioxidant protection. Now, let's be very clear from the start. This is not a magical cure for blindness or any eye disease. It's a supportive, nutrient-rich recipe that many people find helpful for general eye wellness and reducing daily strain. It's about adding something beneficial to your routine, not replacing professional medical advice. If you're struggling with dry eyes, screen fatigue, or just want to give your eyes some extra love, this soothing drink might be exactly what you're looking for. Stay with us as we uncover these powerful ingredients and show you how to make this wonderful wellness drink right at home. So, what are these 4 secret ingredients? Let's break them down. First up, we have goji berries, also known as wolfberries. These little red gems are a powerhouse of antioxidants, especially zeaxanthine, which is known to filter harmful blue light and protect the delicate cells in our eyes. Think of it as internal sunglasses. They've been used in traditional Asian medicine for centuries to support vision and overall vitality. Next, we have chrysanthemums. Yes, the beautiful flowers. Dried chrysanthemum flowers are brewed into a popular tea in many parts of Asia. They are believed to have cooling properties that can help soothe tired, red, and dry eyes. They contain vitamin A, which is crucial for good vision, and antioxidants like flavonoids that help fight cellular damage. Our third ingredient is jujube, or red dates. These aren't just sweet and delicious. They are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants. Vitamin C is essential for the health of blood vessels in the eyes and can help reduce the risk of developing certain eye conditions as we age. Jujubes also add a lovely natural sweetness to the drink, so you won't need any extra sugar. Finally, our 4th ingredient is cassia seeds. These might be less known in the West, but they have a long history of use in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine for supporting eye health. Cassia seeds are said to help improve vision, reduce redness, and soothe dryness. They have a gentle, calming effect that's perfect for relieving the strain from a long day of work. Together, these 4 ingredients create a synergistic blend that nourishes your eyes from the inside out. Now, for the fun part. Let's learn how to prepare this eye-nourishing drink. It's incredibly simple. All you need is a small handful of each ingredient. Let's say about 1 tablespoon of goji berries, 1 tablespoon of dried chrysanthemum flowers, 2 to 3 dried jujubes, and 1 teaspoon of cassia seeds. First, you'll want to give all the ingredients a quick rinse under cool water to clean them. You can gently break the jujubes open with your fingers or a knife. This helps release their flavor and nutrients into the water. Once everything is rinsed, just place all 4 ingredients into a teapot or a heat-proof mug. Then, pour about 2 cups of hot, boiling water over them. Cover the pot or mug with a lid and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the ingredients enough time to infuse the water with all their beneficial compounds. You'll see the water turn into a beautiful, pale golden color, and you'll smell a gentle, floral, and slightly sweet aroma. After steeping, you can strain the drink if you prefer, or you can just drink it with the ingredients still inside. Many people actually enjoy eating the softened goji berries and jujubes after finishing the tea, and that's it. Your homemade eye-supporting wellness drink is ready to enjoy. So, you've made this wonderful drink, but when is the best time to have it? To get the most benefit, consistency is key. A great time to enjoy this tea is in the afternoon. Think of it as a healthy pick-me-up when you start feeling that midday slump, especially if your eyes are feeling tired from staring at a computer screen. It can help soothe eye strain and give you a gentle boost of energy without the jitters of caffeine. Another excellent time is in the evening, about an hour before you go to bed. The calming properties of chrysanthemum and cassia seeds can help you wind down after a long day. It's a wonderful ritual to help your body and mind relax, and it allows the nutrients to work their magic overnight while your body is in its restorative state. You can drink it warm, which is how it's traditionally served, or you can let it cool down and even chill it in the fridge for a refreshing iced tea on a hot day. 1 cup a day is a great starting point. Listen to your body and see how you feel. It's all about creating a small, sustainable habit that supports your long-term wellness. While this drink is a fantastic addition to your routine, we can't forget the foundation of good health: a balanced diet. Certain foods are particularly powerful for supporting eye health as we age. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are highly concentrated in the macula of our eyes and help protect against damage. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 south are crucial for maintaining retinal health and can help with dry eye symptoms by improving oil production in the glands of your eyelids. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also get omega-3 south from flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Don't forget colorful fruits and vegetables. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers are famous for their high vitamin A and beta-carotene content, which are essential for good vision. Citrus fruits, berries, and broccoli are loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Nuts and seeds like almonds and sunflower seeds are great sources of vitamin E, which is another powerful antioxidant that can help slow down age-related vision changes. Incorporating a rainbow of these foods into your meals is a delicious and effective way to give your eyes the nutrients they need to stay healthy and sharp for years to come. Beyond what we consume, our daily habits play a huge role in our eye health. In today's digital world, eye strain is a major concern. One of the best habits you can adopt is the 20-20-20 rule. It's simple. Every 20 minutes you spend looking at a screen, take a 20-second break to look at something at least 20 feet away. This simple exercise helps relax your eye muscles and reduce fatigue. Proper lighting is also crucial. Make sure your workspace is well lit, and try to position your screen to avoid glare from windows or overhead lights. Adjust the brightness and contrast of your screen to a comfortable level. Many devices now have a night mode or blue light filter, which can reduce eye strain, especially in the evening. Don't forget to blink. When we stare at screens, we tend to blink less often, which can lead to dry, irritated eyes. Make a conscious effort to blink fully and frequently to keep your eyes lubricated. If you still experience dryness, using preservative-free artificial tears can provide relief. And of course, protecting your eyes from the sun is non-negotiable. Always wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays when you're outdoors. This helps protect your eyes from sun damage, which can contribute to long-term problems. These small, mindful habits can make a massive difference in maintaining clear, comfortable vision throughout your life. Finally, and this is the most important point of all, it's crucial to know when to seek professional help. While natural remedies and healthy habits are great for support, they are not a substitute for professional medical care. You should schedule regular, comprehensive eye exams with an optometrist or ophthalmologist. For most adults, this means every 1 to 2 years. These exams are about more than just checking your prescription for glasses. They are essential for detecting serious eye conditions early, often before you even notice any symptoms. You should make an appointment with your eye doctor right away if you experience any sudden changes in your vision, like blurriness, flashes of light, a sudden increase in floaters, eye pain, double vision, or loss of peripheral vision. These can be signs of a serious condition that requires immediate attention. Also, if you have a family history of eye diseases like glaucoma or macular degeneration, or if you have a chronic health condition like diabetes, your doctor may recommend more frequent checkups. Your eyes are irreplaceable, so please don't hesitate to consult a professional. They are your best resource for keeping your vision healthy for a lifetime. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore this wonderful Japanese-inspired wellness tip. I hope you feel inspired to give this eye-nourishing drink a try and incorporate some of these healthy habits into your daily life. Remember, small, consistent steps are what lead to long-term well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Do you forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos on health and wellness. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried any of these ingredients before? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.